welcome back to my channel. We're at the Premier Inn at Stansted Airport and I'm going to take you on a tour around the hotel showing you the main features and facilities. The hotel is a few minutes drive from Stansted Airport. It's spread over 4 floors and as you can see at the moment it's having a bit of a makeover. You can check yourself in at the terminals and reception is open 24 hours a day. There's an on-site car park and you can pay for parking on the app or at the machine just inside the building. They have a vending machine selling a variety of snacks and drinks and Amazon lockers. Our room is on the first floor. There's a card telling you all about the new room cleaning processes. We've booked a family room with a king-size bed and 2 singles. You need to put your card in the slot to get the electricity to work. An open wardrobe with vanity unit and television. Hangers are provided and they've got extra pillows at the top. Hairdryer, extra towels and your coffee station. You get tea and coffee and you can go down to reception and ask for more if you need it. The desk has plenty of plug sockets, your instructions on how to work your air conditioning, stay with confidence leaflet and your menu. All rooms are no smoking or vaping. A good range of meals to enjoy in the restaurant. Or if they have the little hanger symbol you can take them to your room. Air conditioning is easy to use. On, temperature down, temperature up. You can't open the windows here, but there is a constant supply of fresh air. A good length mirror by the door so you can check yourself out before you leave. And hooks for your coats. Good sized bathroom. An area for you to put your toiletries. They provide hand soap and hair and body gel. We've always found the water pressure at Premier Inns to be very good, even at the big hotels. As part of their eco-friendly policy, you can reuse your towels by putting them back on the rail, or if you'd like them replaced, you just leave them in the bath. They have an outdoor courtyard if you don't fancy drinking or eating inside. Just outside the hotel is a petrol station, McDonald's and a Starbucks. I hope you enjoyed this video and you found it useful. If you did, then please give it a like. If you want to see more from me in the future, then click the subscribe button right here. And if you want to see more from me right now, then why not watch one of my other Premier Inn videos? And don't forget, if you carry on watching, I'll carry on travelling. See you soon. Bye.